This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm the Duke of Speed. Today we're going to work on this Corvette. Check it out. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I recently had cataract surgery done on my eye. It was complicated, turned into a big mess, took 2 weeks before I even got eyesight back. But here I am today, and we're going to work on this Corvette some more. I don't know if I can get that in the picture. Go remove the intake manifold, valve covers, change gaskets. We'll get that done. Okay, hi guys. This leaves us at this shape right here. The water pump's been removed, radiator's been removed. The vehicle was showing signs of losing coolant, so I got to look at all possibilities and stuff. Tomorrow I'll pressure wash the front of this motor and clean up the frame and get stuff like that. Get it ready for reassembly. I have to chase a few threads and stuff. Everything was loose. It'll all get better. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it very much.